Hi everyone, so I have a really simple slow cooker chicken fajita recipe for you. What you'll need is like a pound of chicken breasts. I have these two right here, they're pretty big. A pouch of McCormick fajita mix, skillet sauce, and then a half a can of, well, you don't have to add the corn, but I like corn and I didn't have peppers, so this worked out good because it has bell peppers in it and poblano peppers. Some garlic powder and seasoning salt or regular salt, and then a coarsely chopped up onion. This is only like a half of a medium onion, that's all I had. And then I will show you where I'm at next. Okay, so you literally just dump everything in. It's super easy. I like using the sauce instead of the fajita seasoning packets. This gives it a little bit more juice. And then I added a teaspoon of this garlic powder. You can do more if you want. And then I just did a light dusting over the chicken breast. So then all you do is just put the cover on. And I'm going to set it to low for about, doesn't take that long, for about 3.5–4 hours. And I will let you see what it looks like when it's done. Alright, and I forgot to add that I put paper towel under my lid so I don't get extra water in my dishes. The ones that don't need the extra liquid, like this one, I'll get plenty of liquid from the chicken, so that's just a good tip to have. Alright, so it is like 3.5 hours later. I checked it 30 minutes ago and it wasn't quite there. See all the condensation all the condensation that the paper towel was able to catch. Alright, so yeah, I checked it like 30 minutes ago. I'm going to check the temperature right now and see where it's at. This is the bigger one. Oh yeah, that's done. Seems definitely done if that one's done. Alright, so I'm going to turn this on. And then I'm going to shred up this chicken, mix it up, and I'll show you what it looks like plated up. Okay, so this is what it looks like all plated up. I put sour cream on the tortilla, and then I got shredded cheese on top with some green sauce, and that's what it looks like. I hope you enjoy.